Hello friends, today what we are going to see is a new feature which has arrived in Google Meet. So to avoid the noise in the Google Meet, there is one feature they have improved in the Google Meet. So which is a mic button. So below up back of side of a mic button there is a small arrow mark. When you click on it, there is a settings button visible here. After that, by clicking on the settings button, you can see one button called push to talk. So you can, if it was disabled, you can enable it and then close this. So to utilize this feature, you have to first unmute yourself. Then when you press the space bar, it will automatically unmute and whatever you're talking, it will be audible to the other person in the meeting. So when you release the space bar, now I am releasing the space bar, it will automatically become mute. I released. So like this, it will become automatically mute. So this is the push to talk feature. So whenever you want to talk, press and talk and remove and it will be stopped. This is a push to talk feature which is implemented in Google Meet. I hope this video is informative. For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.